tell us, how did you start running?
Well, I guess it was because of the question marks. The question marks were on my ability, and obviously ability because I lost a leg, and running is the area where legs are required the most. So the apt answer for those questions were to do something in the area where the legs are used most. So I saw that ad of Airtel Delhi Half Marathon 2009 when I was actually trying to get back on my feet in the terms of the physical and emotional some injuries which I had sustained, and I feel sports is an area where it is easy to come back, because sports is an area where you develop your attitude, and for coming back in life attitude is the most important part. And that's the time when I saw that ad of 2009 Airtel Delhi Half Marathon. So I thought marathon is an area where legs are required most, and if I am able to do this, that means the question marks will get answered automatically. And I ran my first half marathon in 2009, and after that it was like, oh my god, what a thing it is, and I could not give up.
So in 2009, you did your first half marathon.
Yes.
And when did you lose your leg?
That was in 99, 10 years back.
10 years before that. And what were you doing for those 10 years? Did you ever feel like taking up any other sport?
When I lost my leg, that was pretty sure.
You must have taken time to recover.
Yes, I was for about a year I was in hospital.
Yeah.
But when the news of amputation was shared with me, since those days only, that was very, pretty much clear in my mind that I will not compromise with the quality of my life. And, one part of the life, a normal life, includes running. Of course, it's a little sad affair that in CV Street you don't find that part as an integral part of your life.
Yes.
But for a Fauji, of course, running is one part of life.
How much does it cost?
So this one is around 7 lakhs or so.
So is there any kind of motto that you believe in?
Well, our group, we have made a sort of anthem, 2-line anthem, which is I might be slow, but I keep my flow. I won't stop till I reach the top.
Wow. I was going to ask you, does it have a tune? You already sang it. It's like a marching song.
Yes.
Yeah. And is there any quote that you find inspiring, that inspires you on and on?
Well, to me, I believe that any type of rejection works as a catalyst for me. So
if somebody tells that you cannot do something, then you have to go and do it.
So that inspires me, okay, let me try out.
Yeah.
Why can't I do that?
Yeah.
The challenges were 3: stamina, endurance, and the most difficult challenge was how to run.